Have you heard about cupping therapy and wondered if it's right for you? Well, let's explore this fascinating practice together. Cupping is a holistic healing technique that has been in use for thousands of years, with roots in ancient Egyptian, Chinese, and Middle Eastern cultures. Imagine this. Special cups are placed onto your skin, creating a suction that can provide profound relief from various ailments. This unique form of negative pressure therapy is gaining momentum in the modern world, and for good reason. It's not only accessible and affordable, but it's also believed to have a multitude of health benefits. From easing pain and inflammation, to improving circulation and hastening recovery from muscle fatigue and migraines, cupping therapy has a lot to offer. As we continue on this journey, we'll delve deeper into the specifics of cupping, including its potential mental and spiritual benefits. So without further ado, let's delve into the various health benefits of this intriguing therapy. So what exactly are the health benefits of cupping therapy, you might ask? Well, let's dive right in. One of the most prominent benefits of cupping therapy is pain relief. The suction from the cups can help to alleviate tension in the muscles, providing relief from chronic pain conditions like arthritis or fibromyalgia. It's like giving your muscles a deep tissue massage from the inside out. But it's not just about pain relief. Cupping also has a significant impact on circulation. When the cups are applied to the skin, they create a negative pressure that pulls blood into the area. This rush of fresh blood can help to nourish and heal the tissues, promoting overall health and wellness. Now let's talk about inflammation. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury or illness. However, too much inflammation can lead to chronic health issues. Cupping therapy can help to reduce inflammation by drawing out toxins and promoting the flow of fresh, oxygenated blood. Lastly, how about faster recovery from muscle fatigue? Whether you're a professional athlete or a weekend warrior, muscle fatigue can put a damper on your performance. Cupping therapy can help to speed up recovery by increasing blood flow and reducing muscle tension. But wait, there's more. Cupping therapy isn't just about physical health. It has profound effects on mental health as well. The relaxation that comes with a cupping session can help to reduce stress and anxiety, promoting a sense of well-being. In short, cupping therapy is an ancient practice with modern-day benefits. It offers a natural, non-invasive way to manage pain, improve circulation, reduce inflammation, and speed up recovery from muscle fatigue. But that's not all. Cupping therapy can also impact your mental health positively. So, as we continue our journey into the world of cupping, we invite you to explore the many other benefits this ancient therapy has to offer. How does a physical therapy like cupping affect your mental health? Well, the answer may surprise you. The holistic nature of cupping therapy extends beyond just physical wellness. It's also about mental well-being. Imagine carrying the weight of the world on your shoulders. Now, imagine a release, a sense of relief washing over you. That's what cupping can do. When the cups create suction on your skin, it's not just your muscles that relax, it's your mind too. This stress relief can lead to improved mood and a more positive outlook. Think of it as a form of meditation, where your body and mind sync up, allowing you to let go of any anxiety and tension. Moreover, research suggests that cupping can help alleviate symptoms of depression and fatigue, further enhancing its mental health benefits. So, if you're looking for a therapy that cares for your mind just as much as your body, cupping might just be the answer. Besides the physical and mental health benefits, cupping therapy also holds spiritual significance for some. Did you know that cupping therapy can also have spiritual benefits? Beyond the physical, cupping is steeped in spiritual traditions across many cultures. For some, the suction cups are seen as a conduit for drawing out negative energies that might be trapped within the body. It is believed that these energies can cause physical or emotional discomfort, and by removing them, we can achieve a state of spiritual balance and harmony. In traditional Chinese medicine, cupping is used to balance the body's qi, or vital life force. When our qi is out of balance, we can experience illness or distress. Through cupping, practitioners aim to restore this balance, promoting spiritual wellness and inner peace. In the Islamic tradition, cupping or hijama is seen as a form of spiritual purification. It's believed to cleanse the body of harmful substances, aligning the physical and spiritual self. Cupping, therefore, is not just about healing the body, but the spirit too. Now let's address a common concern. Will cupping therapy leave a bruise? Are there any side effects associated with cupping therapy? Glad you asked. Like any therapy, cupping can have side effects, but most are temporary and benign. The most common side effect is bruising. Remember, cupping involves creating a suction effect on your skin, and this can sometimes lead to bruising, especially for those with sensitive skin. Another potential side effect could be discomfort during or after the session. The suction can feel strange, and the area may feel tender afterward. But this discomfort is usually mild and goes away on its own. Rarely, someone might feel lightheaded or dizzy after a cupping session. This is typically a short-term reaction, and rest should alleviate it. Cupping is generally considered safe when done by a trained professional, but it's important to communicate with your therapist about any discomfort or concerns you have. But don't worry, let's talk about why these bruises occur and how to manage them. Why do bruises occur after a cupping session? This is a question that often comes up in discussions about cupping therapy. When the cups are placed on the skin, they create a suction effect. This process increases blood flow to the area, which can sometimes result in bruising. But don't fret. These aren't your typical bruises caused by trauma or injury. The bruising from cupping is a sign that the treatment is working. It indicates that toxins and stagnant blood are being drawn to the surface of the skin, kickstarting your body's natural healing process. The color and pattern of the cupping bruises can even provide insights into your overall health. Darker, more pronounced bruises can suggest a higher level of toxins or stagnation in the body. So, while it might look a bit alarming at first, remember that these bruises are a normal part of the cupping process. While we're on the topic of safety, let's discuss who can and cannot undergo cupping therapy. Is cupping therapy safe for everyone? That's the golden question, isn't it? Let's delve into this topic and unpack the safety measures and precautions to consider when it comes to cupping therapy. First and foremost, it's vital to understand that cupping therapy should always be performed by a trained and certified professional. This ensures that the procedure is done correctly and safely, reducing the risk of any potential harm. Now, on to contraindications. There are certain conditions where cupping therapy may not be advisable or should be used with caution. Pregnancy is one such condition. It's generally advised to avoid cupping on the lower back or abdomen during pregnancy. This is because these areas are sensitive, and the pressure from cupping could potentially induce contractions. However, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional or a certified cupping therapist if you're pregnant and considering cupping therapy. Another contraindication to cupping therapy is if you have a bleeding disorder or are on blood-thinning medication. Remember, cupping therapy creates suction on the skin, which can cause minor bruising. If your blood doesn't clot well, this could potentially lead to complications. Individuals with skin conditions such as eczema or psoriasis should also exercise caution with cupping. The suction could potentially exacerbate these conditions. Similarly, if you have an open wound, burn, or skin infection, it's best to avoid cupping until it has properly healed. It's also important to note that while cupping can be an effective therapy for pain and inflammation, it should not replace conventional medical treatments for serious conditions. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new treatment regimen, including cupping. In conclusion, while cupping therapy is generally considered safe, it's not suitable for everyone. Always ensure you're working with a trained professional and have consulted your healthcare provider, especially if you have any of the conditions we've discussed. To sum up, cupping therapy can be a beneficial addition to your wellness routine if used correctly. So, is cupping therapy right for you? We've journeyed through the ancient world of cupping, exploring its myriad of potential health benefits. From its potential to alleviate pain, improve circulation, and reduce inflammation, to its possible role in speeding up recovery time from muscle fatigue, migraines, and other ailments. We've delved into the mental and spiritual aspects of this holistic healing practice and how it could potentially aid in stress relief and blood flow. We've also touched on the potential side effects, including the infamous cupping bruises, and discussed the importance of safety and precautions when undergoing cupping therapy. This age-old practice has its fair share of advocates and skeptics alike. However, it's clear that for some, it's been a game changer. As enticing as these benefits may sound, it's crucial to remember that everyone's body responds differently to therapies. Remember, it's always best to consult with a health professional before starting any new therapy.